Alright guys, we're going to show you how to install the fabric on your Easiframe curve. These are the pieces of paper you get in the box. This shows you the Easiframe curve. The other side shows the Easiframe fabric, as well as this piece of paper as well. So we're going to take you through this, going through 1, 2, 3, completing the top, 4, 5, 6, completing the bottom, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, finishing this side, then finishing off with this last side. So Richard is going to come in and show you how to install it. Starting with the top corner, grabbing your Easiframe fabric. Once you've installed your first corner, moving on to the next side, making sure not to step on your fabric. To the next top corner. Once you have both of them installed, moving to the middle. Then moving to the middle of them again. The reason for this is to make sure it's all evenly spaced out to get the best result. Once all they're put in, finishing off the rest to install the rest of the top. Making sure it's all evenly spaced, all evenly put in. Once the top is completed, you move on to the bottom, again, starting with the corners. Making sure you guys do not go straight to the side, go straight to the bottom after you complete the top, moving to the next corner. Once the corners are put in, move to the middle. Then moving to the middle of them, again, making sure it's all evenly spaced out. Then pushing in the rest to make it all nice, neat and tidy. Just finishing off the bottom. Now once that's all pushed in, then moving on to your sides. Making sure do not skip and leave the middle to last. Now once those sections are pushed in, moving on to the next side. Once you've done that, work your way to the middle, leaving the middle for last. Making sure it's all evenly spaced out and it's all in. Once that side is completed, you move on to your last side. Again, leaving the middle to last, working your way to the middle. Moving on to the last step, which is the middle, making sure it's all evenly spaced out, all pushed in. And if it's all done correctly, should be quick, efficient, and there should be no wrinkles left. And there you have it, easy fabric install. Hi guys, we've just installed the fabric correctly. Now I'm going to show you some common mistakes and what other people have been saying that ways they've done it wrong. So Rich is going to come in now and show you the incorrect ways to install it. So the reason for these common mistakes, and the reasons we do not want you to do it like this is because it stretches the fabric in the wrong way, and then sometimes it will appear that it does not fit correctly. So Rich is going to show you some of them. So instead of going straight to the bottom, he's going to go straight to the side and just start at the top and work all the way down. And what this does, it stretches out the fabric. Pulling it along as he installs it, bit by bit, stretching it out. Then working his way along, again, bit by bit, stretching it out. So by doing this incorrectly, you may find that your corner does not fit the corner. Working his way along, piece by piece, stretching it out. So what can happen is when you come to that last corner, you will find that it does not fit and you'll have overhang. And this is one of the common mistakes that we've been coming across. But if you follow our instructions correctly, this shouldn't happen.